Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to restart your graphics driver on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So it's a neat little trick here, guys, and it's going to be a keyboard shortcut. I'll have the keyboard shortcut up on the screen in the video. So it's going to be four keys you're going to have to press at the same time here. It's going to be the Windows key, the Control key, Shift, and the B. So Windows, Control, Shift, and B at the same time. So again, Windows, Control, Shift, and B. And there you go, guys. That's all you have to do. And you might have noticed the screen blacked out for a moment there, and then it just reappeared. And we just restarted our graphics driver. So pretty straightforward process. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.